Students, in earlier session until where we had discussed? Yes, students. We are discussing about structure of heart and walls of heart we discussed. So how many types of walls are present here? What are they, students?
3 types.
Cuspid, tricuspid.
And tricuspid and bicuspid and
Semilunar valves.
semilunar walls. Which wall is called mitral wall? What's the location of tricuspid wall, students?
Bicuspid wall.
Tricuspid wall location. Tricuspid.
Between right auricle and right ventricles and right ventricles.
What's the function of cardia tendinae? Function of cardia tendinae.
Valves are actually operated by those things.
Helps in functioning of valve.
Functioning of the valves. Opening and closing mechanism of the valves. Good. Right. Next one. We discussed in earlier session. The heart is a myogenic heart. And in the heart, there is a specialized system is presented because only the presence of specialized system, nodal system only, the heart is exhibits itself contraction and relaxation, auto-excitable. Why heart is called auto-excitable myogenic heart? Because of the presence of nodal system, right? So we discuss first regarding about the nodal system of the heart. Nodal system. So in the heart, you draw yesterday class, you draw the diagram, nodal tissue, the nodal system. There is a specialized structure is presented in the heart that is called nodal tissue. Because of it helps for auto excitation. It helps for auto excitation. Heart itself exhibits contractions and relaxations also. Auto excitation, auto excitable heart by the presence of what, students? Nodal tissue, that is called nodal system. So what are the parts are included? Which parts are included in nodal tissue? The parts are included in nodal tissue is SAM and AVN and bundle of His are also called AV bundle and Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers. So what are the parts of nodal tissue? What are the components of nodal tissue? 4 different types of the components. What are they? Those are SAN, AVN, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers arranged in the region of the heart, which helps for auto excitation. Heart itself contracts and itself this exhibits relaxations without receiving of any type of what? Nervous stimulations. Right. So SAN, AVN, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. So first one, what, students? SAN. First one, SAN, sinoatrial node or sino-auricular node. What is meant by SAN? So sino-auricular or atrial node. SAN, sino-auricular node. SAN. Right, next one, AVN, atrioventricular node. What is meant by AVN? Atrioventricular node. SAN, sino-auricular node, and AVN, atrioventricular node. Next one, bundle of His are also called AV bundle. AV bundle means what, students? Atrioventricular bundle. AV bundle are also called bundle of His. And next one, Purkinje fibers. Until this clear, students? So what are the components of nodal tissue? Yes, students, what are the components of nodal tissue? Is it clear? SAN, AVN, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. SAN, what is meant by SAN? Sino-auricular node. AVN, atrioventricular node. Bundle of His are also called AV bundle. AV bundle means atrioventricular bundle and Purkinje fibers. These four are the components of nodal tissue, which is helpful for contraction and relaxation of the heart by itself. Now, what is the location of these different types of the parts in nodal tissue? Yesterday, you learned all the nodal tissue parts are sustained and present in one region. Now, it distributed in different regions of heart. So, where SAN is located? The SAN is located in the region of right atrium, in the region of right upper side, right atrium, right upper side, SAN is located. In the right atrium, right upper side, the SAN is located. The location of SAN, right atrium, right upper side. What is the location of AVN? The AVN is located in the region of right atrium and left lower, in the region of lower region, left side, left portion, lower region, the AVN is located. Next one, bundle of His, AV bundle. AV bundle which starts from AVN only, initiates from the AVN only, and distributes to ventricles, right? And through what? On the region of intraventricular septum. You draw yesterday. On intraventricular septum, there is two branches. Okay, right? So it is presented on intraventricular septum. And what is the location of Purkinje fibers? The location of Purkinje fibers are presented in the region of throughout the ventricle. So Purkinje fiber distributes throughout the part of ventricle. Throughout the part of the ventricle. So what is the only ventricle? Throughout the part of ventricle, only ventricle. Only in the ventricle. In the auricles, Purkinje fibers are not presented. Is it clear, students? Yes, students, until this clear, all of you? Am I audible? Yes, okay, right. Okay, right, fine. So here, the nodal tissue, which is consists with four different types of the components, nodal tissue, four different types of the components, SAN, AVN, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. SAN, sino-auricular node, are also called sino-atrial node. Next one, AVN, atrioventricular node, bundle of His, AV bundle, and Purkinje fibers. Atrioventricular bundle. Where the SAN is located? What's the location of SAN? Right atrium, right upper region, SAN is presented, and AVN, right atrium, left lower region presented. And bundle of His, it will start from AVN and distributed to the ventricles through intraventricular septum. What is meant by intraventricular septum, students? The wall, the septum which is presented between ventricles, between ventricle, intraventricular septum. Next one, Purkinje fibers distributed throughout the ventricles. Only in the ventricles, Purkinje fibers are there. In the auricles, Purkinje fibers are not presented. Is it clear, students, until this? Right? Okay. Now, where the origin of action potential is generated? For contraction of heart, relaxation of heart, what is required? The action potential is required for muscle contraction and relaxation. Action potential is required, then only the contraction and relaxation takes place. So, from which region the action potential is initiates? From the region of SAN. From the region of SAN, the initiation of action potential takes place. So that only the SAN is called. The SAN is called. Anybody? Pacemaker. Yes, students. It is called pacemaker. Also, in the nodal tissue, which part of the nodal tissue is considered as pacemaker? Yes, SAN. Why SAN only called as considered as pacemaker? What is the reason? Because from the SAN, origination of action potential takes place. Electrical impulse will be generated. Right, students? So, origination of action potential. Origination of action potential is exhibits by from the pacemaker, and now you got it. So from the SAN to action potential reaches to where, students? AVN to bundle of to Purkinje fibers. So that only the contraction of the heart takes place and the relaxation of the heart also takes place. Contractions and the relaxation of the heart takes place by the generation of the action potential. From where? Which region, students? SAN, sino-auricular node. So that only it is called pacemaker of the heart. Why it is called pacemaker of the heart? Because of origination of what? Origination of action potential takes place. So what is the root of action potential? Now we got it. The root of action potential origin from where, students? SAN to AVN to bundle of is AV bundle. Next, from there to and Purkinje fibers to Purkinje fibers to where? In Purkinje fibers, it is going to be degenerate. Further, it's not going to be again written back to SAN. Only one way. SAN to AVN to bundle of to where? Bundle of to Purkinje fibers. In the Purkinje fiber, it is going to be degenerate. Again, fresh action potentially generates from the SAN. Is it clear, students? Right, students? Until this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. In this is what, students? Good. This one? This? AV, bundle of this. And this one? Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers. Is it clear now?
So there's no connection between SCIN and AVN.
Yes. Obviously, connection is not there. How action potential passes from SA to AVN? From SA to AVN, action potential receives. Then AVN to AV bundle to Purkinje fibers. Is it clear?
Sir, how it is transported, sir, if there is no connection? Sir, how?
How it is?
Transported, sir, impulse from SCIN to AVN.
Through the cells, intercalated discs are present. We discussed already.
Yes,
Through
sir.
intercalated discs, gap junctions. Through that only action potential is generates. Processing is takes place.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yes, students, finish with this one. Completed nodal tissue. Yes, students, finished. Okay, right. So next one. Cardiac cycle. So students, we already discussed regarding about heart is myogenic heart or auto-excitable heart. Heart itself it is exhibits contraction and relaxations also by the presence of nodal tissue. By the contraction, one contraction of the heart and relaxation of the heart. Contraction and relaxation of the heart is nothing but heartbeat. One heartbeat is nothing but what, students? One contraction of the heart and relaxation of the heart. Heart undergoes contractions and relaxation one time. That is called heartbeat. So during heartbeat, what is exhibits? What type of the changes are takes place? During contraction of the heart, the blood distributes from the ventricle throughout the body parts and lungs. During relaxation of the heart, auricles receives blood and ventricular filling is takes place. Are you understanding or not? During contraction of the heart, blood distributes from the ventricles to throughout the body parts and lungs also. And during relaxation of the heart, the heart receives, auricles receives blood from body parts and lungs and ventricles filled with the blood. Is it clear now? So that is heartbeat, one heartbeat. One the heartbeat is nothing but one contraction, one relaxation. Okay, so contraction and relaxation. Not one contraction or relaxation, complete heart contraction and relaxation. Right? That is called heartbeat. So how many heartbeats are in man? In average, 72 times per minute. So how many heartbeats in man? So heartbeat. How many times, students? Heartbeat in healthy man. Heartbeat for healthy man. That is 72 times in average. 70 to 75 times. In average, 72 times per. 72 times per minute.
Camera to your left, sir.
72 times per minute. Right. So, during heartbeat, what is takes place? Heartbeat is nothing but heartbeat includes what, students? Contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxation. So heartbeat includes contraction and relaxation. So during heartbeat, what type of the changes are exhibits? Heart receives the blood from all the body parts and what? Heart receives the blood from all the body parts and lungs. And heart distributes the blood to all the body parts and lungs also. That one we need to mention here. So during heartbeat, heart receives and distributes blood from all the body parts and then to all the body parts and lung. Is it clear, students, this point? So during heartbeat, so contraction and relaxation of the heart, that is called heartbeat. How many times? 72 times per minute. So during heartbeat, what type of the changes? What blood? Okay. What type of the changes? The type of the changes, heart receiving the blood and heart distributes the blood to all the body parts and lungs. So cardiac cycle. So heartbeat is going to be continuous process or heart takes any rest between 1 minute or 2 minute time. It will take rest time.
No,
Rest time is
sir.
there.
There will be relaxation time of a few milliseconds.
So during cardiac cycle, the cycle process is going to be repeats. During cardiac cycle, the contraction and relaxation of the heart also takes place. One cardiac cycle is equals to one heartbeat. One cardiac cycle equals to one heartbeat. Cardiac cycle, one heartbeat equals to one heartbeat equals to one cardiac cycle. One cardiac cycle. So in the cardiac cycle, what type of the changes are takes place? How many steps are presented in cardiac cycle? How many steps are presented? How many steps means how heart is going to be contracts and relaxations, exhibits relaxations, and what type of the changes are occurs during the cardiac cycle or during the heartbeat. Because of one cardiac cycle equals to one heartbeat. So during cardiac cycle, how contractions and relaxations are takes place and what type of the changes are takes place in the heart, we will discuss. Okay, students? So cardiac cycle consists with majorly three different types of the stages. Before going that, we should learn two important words, that is contraction. Contraction means systole and relaxation means diastole. Contraction means systole, relaxation means diastole. Systole and diastole. So auricle contraction means what, students? Auricle systole. Ventricle contraction means what, students? Ventricle systole. Auricle diastole means what, students? Auricle diastole. Ventricle relaxation means what, students? Ventricle diastole. Is it clear? Contraction, systole, relaxation, diastole. Contraction of the auricles, contraction of the ventricles means auricle systole and ventricle systole, and auricle diastole, ventricle diastole. Is it clear? Right.
So there will be a few relaxation times, sir, between the two contraction and relaxation. Will there be a relaxation time, sir?
Come
A
again?
few seconds, the heart will rest. It's milliseconds.
Your voice is not clear. I'm not understanding. Come again.
Sir, between contraction and relaxation, will there be the heart will rest for some time? That's few milliseconds. Will it, sir?
Just type and send your question. I'm not getting your voice actually.
Okay.
Your voice is breaking. Just type and send. Okay. Right. So here, contraction is systole and relaxation is diastole. So in one cardiac cycle, 3 steps or takes place is going to be repeats. So that only it is called cycle. So cardiac cycle is nothing but one heartbeat. So what are the 3 steps? The steps are joint diastole. Next one, auricle systole. Next one, ventricle systole. So what are the steps in one cardiac cycle? 3 different types of the steps. Joint diastole, auricle systole, ventricle systole. And after the ventricle systole, again joint diastole is going to be repeats. First joint diastole, auricle systole, ventricle systole. Again repeating. So first one, we'll discuss about joint diastole. So how joint diastole? What is meant by diastole, students? Contraction or relaxation? Diastole means
Relaxation.
joint diastole. Joint diastole means both auricles and ventricles. Both auricles and ventricles diastole. Relaxation. Relaxation of both auricles and ventricles. So relaxation of both what? Auricles and ventricles. Auricles and ventricles. So what is meant by joint diastole? Relaxation of both auricles and ventricles. Right. Now, whenever by the relaxation of both auricles and ventricles, the volume of auricles and ventricles increased or decreased. By the relaxation, the volume is increased or decreased.
Increase.
Contraction, relaxation. The relaxation volume increases.
Increase.
Once volume increases, the pressure is
Decreases.
Right. Pressure decreases in where? Pressure decreases in auricles also, pressure decreases in ventricles also. Okay, write down. So next point, write down. So both relaxation of both auricles and ventricles in both means what? In both auricles and ventricles. The brackets I am writing A and B. Auricles and ventricles. Volume is increases. What is decreases, students? Pressure is decreases. Pressure is decreases in where? In auricles or ventricles or both? Both are. Once pressure is decreases in auricles, right auricle receives blood from where? Forgot.
Vena cava.
Right auricle receives blood from where?
Vena cavas.
Blood from all the body parts through vena cava. So right auricle filled with blood because vena cava brings the blood there, deoxygenated blood to vena cava into the right auricle. Left auricle filled with oxygenated blood from where?
Pulmonary vein.
From lungs through pulmonary veins. Is it clear, students? So by this step, what happens? Auricular filling takes place. Auricles receives blood from where? Both auricles means right auricle receives blood from body parts, left auricle receives blood from lungs. Okay, next point, write down. Auricles. Next point. Right auricle and left auricle receives blood from body parts and lungs respectively. respectively. Is it clear now? Okay, next one. Once both auricles or receives blood from body parts and lungs, from the auricles, blood is going to be distributed to where? To the region of ventricles. From the auricles, blood reaches to where? From the auricles, the blood is reaches to ventricle. The blood is passes to ventricles. Is it clear, students? So between auricles and ventricles, what are opens?
Valve.
What are present? Valves are presented. Both tri and bicuspid valves are presented. Both are also going to be open. Why? Opening is required because of auricles to ventricles. The blood is passing, so that both valves open is required. Okay, next point right now. Between auricles and ventricles, both AV valves. AV valves are nothing but what? Tricuspid and bicuspid. AV valves are open. So blood passes from where to where, students? Auricles to where to where? Auricles to
Ventricle.
Auricles to ventricles. How much blood? 70% of blood. 70% of blood passes from auricles to ventricles through what? Through tri and bicuspid valves. Is it clear? Why? Because both tri and bicuspid valves are open or closed? Open. Until this clear, students? Understood or not these points?
Yes, sir. So why only 70%?
Once again, I am revising these points. Joint diastole means relaxation of both auricles and ventricles. That is called joint diastole. In both auricles and ventricles, volume is increases. By the relaxation, volume of auricles and ventricles are increases. So what is decreases, students? Pressure is decreases. Once in auricles and ventricles, pressure is decreases. Right auricle and left auricle receives blood from the body parts and lungs respectively. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the body parts. Left auricle receives oxygenated blood from lungs. Once auricle is filled with blood and both valves are open. Which valves are open? AV valves are open. AV valves are nothing but tri and bicuspid valves are open. So through the valves, blood passes from auricles to ventricle. Ventricular filling is takes place. How much students ventricular filling there? 70%. Is it clear? Okay.
So what about remaining 30%?
Yes, students.
So what about remaining 30%?
Let me complete first, Brahmara. It's not yet over. Remaining steps. Right? Next one. Auricle system. In auricle system means what, students? Auricle contraction or auricle relaxation?
Auricle contraction.
Contraction of auricles. Auricle system is nothing but a contraction of auricles. Contraction of auricles. Which auricle? Right auricle or left auricle or both? Both. Contraction of auricles. Both. Okay. Right. Whenever contraction of auricles takes place, both auricles are going to be contracted. Then remaining how much percent, students? 30% of the blood. So remaining 30% blood passes from where to where? Auricles to where to where? Auricles to ventricles through what? Auricles to ventricle through
Valves.
Through AV valves, right? So here in this case, AV valves are open and closed. AV valves are open. AV valves are open. Why these are open? How ventricular filling is takes place? Because of AV valves are open, through the valves only blood passes from auricles to ventricles. How it is closed? Is it clear? Right. So both joint diastole and auricle systole, which valves are open? AV valves are open. Is it clear or not? Okay. Next step. Third stage. Ventricular systole. Ventricular systole means what, students? Contraction of ventricle or relaxation of ventricle?
Contraction.
Ventricular systole is nothing but contraction of ventricle. Right. Contraction of ventricles. Both ventricle or only one ventricle?
Both.
Both.
Both ventricles. So one not possible. One contraction, one relaxation not possible. Either two contraction or two relaxations is possible. Right. So contractions of ventricles. Both ventricles are going to be contracts. In first two steps, what happens, students? Joint diastole and auricle systole, what happened?
Filling the ventricle.
It is filled with blood. Ventricular filling was takes place. Is it clear? Now, by the contraction of ventricles, the blood passes, distributes from ventricles to where? Auricles, aorta and pulmonary artery.
Body.
Aorta and pulmonary artery, not written back to auricles. That point you need to remember. Right, students? Contraction of the ventricles, the step of contraction of the ventricles, whenever both ventricles are contracted, the blood passes from ventricles to right ventricle to pulmonary artery, left ventricle to systemic aorta. Right? Okay. In this case, both AV valves are closed or open?
Closed.
Very good. AV valves are closed. Why? In case AV valves are open in this, the blood passes from ventricles to auricles also. So that only in this stage, which stage? In ventricle systole, both AV valves are closed. Okay, that point will be correct. So both the AV valves closed, and blood passes from distributes from before that one point write down. Both everyone's closed. So by the contraction of ventricle, the volume is increased or decreased, students?
Decrease.
Decreased. Then pressure is
Increase.
Write down. Volume of ventricles decreases, pressure increases. Pressure is increases. So that only from the ventricles blood distributed to systemic aorta and pulmonary artery. So from ventricles, blood distributes to where? Blood distributes to
Lungs and
aorta and pulmonary artery. From
Sir, the board is big, sir.
left ventricle and right ventricle respectively.
Sir, bird is blur, sir.
The board is blur, sir.
What is blood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now check it, students. Is it clear now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Blurred.
Still blurred, sir.
Not yet. No.
Now clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Not clear. Okay, right. So here, from ventricles, blood distributes to aorta and pulmonary artery from left ventricle and
No,
right
sir. It's becoming blurred, sir.
Right, students? So both in the contraction of the ventricles, from the ventricle, blood is distributed to all the body parts and lungs from the ventricles. And after again ventricular systole, what will initiate, students? Joint diastole. Again auricle systole. And again ventricular systole. So the process is going to be continued. So that only it is called cardiac cycle. So what is the time for cardiac cycle? One cardiac cycle, 0.8 seconds time. So what is the duration of one cardiac cycle? 0.8 seconds time. In 0.8 seconds, what happens? Joint diastole, auricle systole, and ventricular systole. Right, students? These three stages are exhibits in one cardiac cycle. So what is the duration time for one cardiac cycle? 0.8 seconds. Is it clear, students? Now, in the joint diastole, which valves are open, students? Which valves are open in joint diastole?
AV.
Then what about semilunar valves? Here semilunar valves
Closed.
open and closed in this.
Close.
Closed.
This semilunar valves, both the semilunar valves are closed. Why both the semilunar valves are closed? Because in case semilunar valves are not closed, then what happens? The
Backflash blood.
in the ventricles return back. The blood return back from the aorta and the systemic artery. So write down that point. AV valves are open. Next point. SL valves are closed. SL valves are closed. So what about auricle system? In this, SL valves are open and closed.
Close.
Closed.
Very
Close.
good. So SL valves are closed. So what about in this?
Open.
SL valves are open. Right. In this, SL valves are open. SL valves are open. Which valves are closed? AV valves are closed. Is it clear, students? Right? So once again, I am explaining this one, these two, auricle systole and ventricular systole. The complete cardiac cycle consists with three different types of the stages. So first one, joint diastole. Second one, auricle systole. Third one, ventricular systole. So what is cardiac cycle? One heartbeat equals to one cardiac cycle. During cardiac cycle, what type of the changes are exhibits? Contraction and relaxation of the heart is exhibits, and the blood receiving and blood distribution is takes place from the heart is takes place. Right. So in joint diastole, what is happening? Systole means for students contraction, and diastole means relaxation. Relaxation, diastole, systole, contraction. Joint diastole means what are going to be relaxed? Auricles or ventricles or both? Both. Both auricles and ventricles, right? Whenever by the relaxation of auricles and ventricles, what type of the changes are takes place? Volume is increases or decreases? Volume increases. When volume increases, pressure is decreases. When pressure is decreases, auricles receives blood from where? Right auricle receives blood from where? Right auricle receives blood from where?
Body parts.
Blood from body parts through what?
Vena cava.
What AV valves? Through vena cava. Where is your brain? And left auricle receives blood from where? Lungs.
Lungs.
Which oxygenated blood. Is it clear? Right? The basic structure never forget. Right. Next one. Whenever auricles are receives the blood, then Which valves are open, students? AV valves are open. Through AV valves, from the auricles, blood passes to ventricles. Ventricular filling is takes place. How much percent? Is it clear now? Okay. So which valves are open, students? Which valves are closed here? SL valves
Semilunar
are
valve.
step in joint diastole. Okay. Right. Next one. Auricle systole. Second one is auricle systole. Auricle systole means what, students? Contraction of auricles or relaxation of auricles? Contraction of auricles. Auricle systole means contraction of auricles. Right. So remaining 30% of the blood passes from auricles to ventricles. Right? In which step? In the auricle systole. Okay. Now, which valves are open? Obviously, AV valves are open. Which valves are closed, students here?
SL valve.
Right. What's the last step in cardiac cycle? Ventricle systole. Ventricle systole is nothing but contraction of ventricles. Right. In contraction of ventricles, which valves are closed? Both the AV valves are closed. Whenever both the AV valves are closed, then volume is decreased in the ventricles, pressure is increased, blood passes from ventricles to where? Ventricles to aorta and systemic artery, right? Pulmonary artery and systemic aorta. So from ventricles, blood distributes to aorta and pulmonary artery, from left ventricle and right ventricle respectively. From left ventricle, blood passes from where, students? From left ventricle, blood passes to where?
Systemic aorta.
Systemic aorta. From right ventricle, blood passes to where?
Pulmonary artery.
And in this, which valves are open, students?
SL valve.
Valves only blood is passing, so that only SL valves are open. Is it clear? So what is the duration from one cardiac cycle? 0.8. One cardiac cycle is equals to one heartbeat. Now, how much volume, how much amount of blood is going to be distributed from the ventricles? Till now we discussed what type of the stages. What are the stages in cardiac cycle? So how much amount of blood distributes from the ventricles? That we will discuss. Okay? Here, stroke volume. Stroke volume means the amount of blood distributes from ventricles in one cardiac cycle. That is called stroke volume. What is meant by stroke volume? The amount of blood distributes from ventricles in one cardiac cycle is called stroke volume. So SV means what, students? Stroke volume. SV, stroke volume, is equal to 70 ml. So how much blood is distributes in one cardiac cycle from the ventricle, students? 70 milliliters. That is stroke volume. Is it clear? Next, cardiac output. Cardiac output means the amount of blood it distributes from ventricles per minute. The amount of blood it distributes from ventricles per minute is called cardiac output. Write down definition of cardiac output. Cardiac output means the amount of blood distributes from ventricles per minute. Per minute, how many cardiac cycles, students?
70.
Very good. In one cardiac cycle, 70 ml of blood. In 72 cardiac cycle, how much blood distributed? Blood distributed means cardiac output is 72 into 70. Right. So cardiac output is equals to cardiac output equals to 70 into 72. 70 is nothing but SV, stroke value, 72, number of heartbeat per minute. Per minute, right? 70 ml into 72 times, right? How much, students? 5040 ml. 5040 ml. So this value means approximately 5 liters of the blood, or this blood is distributed from the ventricles duration of 1 minute. That is called cardiac output. Both are most important. You need to remember. Based on this, some of the objective questions also we will discuss. Stroke value and cardiac output. What is meant by stroke value, students? The amount of blood distributes from ventricle in one cardiac cycle is called stroke value. How much? The value of stroke value? SV is equal to 70 ml. So next one, cardiac output. What is meant by cardiac output? The amount of blood distributes from ventricle per minute. Right? So cardiac output equals to stroke value into heartbeats per minute. So 70 ml into 72 times. That is 5040 ml. 5 liters of the blood distributes from the ventricles in the span of 1 minute time. Is it clear, students? These two are most important. Stroke value and cardiac cycle. For stroke value and cardiac output. So throughout cardiac cycle, steps are also important. Both the subjective point of view and objective point of view also. Is it clear, students? Somebody sent doubts, right?
Sir, how much volume of blood is present in our body, sir?
How much volume of
Blood is present in our body, sir.
6 liters? 6 liters. Somebody sent why only 70%? What about remaining 30% blood? Tanisha, is it clear now?
So once again, you explain that, sir.
Which one, Amma?
That 70%. Yes, sir, that one.
First 100% of blood filled in the auricles, received by the auricles. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the joint diastole, what happens? First 70% of the blood received by the ventricles. Ventricular filling this takes place.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Until this clear. Right. Next, remaining blood, which is presented in the auricles, remaining 30% by the contraction of the auricles. By the contraction of the auricles, remaining 30% also received by the ventricles.
Okay, sir. Now I go. Yes, sir.
So complete ventricular filling takes place by first 2 steps, joint diastole and auricle systole. Is it clear, Tanisha, now?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in one cardiac cycle, how many times pacemaker will produce action potential, sir?
Few milliseconds between relaxations and contractions, cardiac cycle. Rest is nothing but relaxation only, not milliseconds time. 0.8 second continuous processes takes place. If SAN unable to generate action potential means contraction relaxation stop. Stoppage of heart is nothing but fatal conditions only. No rest. Yes, sir. Somebody asking, Puneet D.
Sir, in one cardiac cycle, how many times pacemaker will produce action potential, sir?
For one cardiac cycle, one action potential only. What happens? See.
Sir, for both contraction and relaxation, sir.
That is only. That is all I'm telling. First, from the SAN, action potential is generates. It received by the AVN. When SAN to AVN action potential is passes, contraction of auricles takes place. Is it clear? Next, AVN to AV bundle and Purkinje fibers, that action potential is passes, complete ventricles contraction takes place. And in Purkinje fibers, action potentials are degenerates. then what happens? Relaxation is takes place. Only one point you should remember: whenever action potential is there, wherever action potential is there, there only contraction. Otherwise, relaxation. Is it clear or not? Action potential generates from SAN to AVN, then contraction of auricles. Whenever action potential reaches to the ventricle, then ventricle contraction. When action potential degenerates, then relaxation. Is it clear? Punit D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that we will discuss again. In the next topic we will discuss actually. Okay, students?
Sir, today's concepts only, sir, for the subjective and objective exams.
For subjective and objective exams,
Up to
Proportion.
today's concepts.
this topic,
Yes, sir.
read this topic also. Yes, today's topic also. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
right. Okay, students, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.